Hello everyone, you're expected to submit your Prac Report 1, and as you know we are not going to have any lab, so you're going to fill this answer sheet. So I just go through this answer sheet quickly with Sanjida. So these are the plates that you're expected to see this week. If Sanjida, can you please just show them what they're expected to see? So we had E. coli, Klebsiella, Staph epidermidis, and nutrient agar, and also EMB. And we had two empty plates that you filled with the PDA and nutrient agar. And then you were supposed to streak the selected bacteria on these plates and keep these two plates to collect any bacteria or fungi from the air. So this is your expected result. So I go through this question. So for the first question, you need to draw a good demonstration of the right streaking methods. So this is a good example, and that's for E. coli. So this is a good example of the right streaking. As you can see, the concentration A and B and C and D, and at the end to the single colony in the section E. That is the good example of the right streaking, the same as this one. So you're supposed to observe this when you come this week and draw the right streaking. So you can just do it here. And then this is the demonstrated one, so the good example, and you're supposed to do something that you have done. So because you can't really compare, I just want to show you some of the not good results. So you can see there are some problem with this streaking. So you can show some of these bad example. So in the section 1, you can come up with the good example and bad example to demonstrate what you're expecting. So you can compare this one with the one that I show you. So for the demonstrated one, you can come with the left side, this one, and with the strict E. coli play, your one, you can come up with this. So ideally, you want to present the expected results here with the good streaking technique. For the second section, you're supposed to fill the table for the selected bacteria on EMB plate and nutrient agar. As you can see, they all grow. If Sanjida, you can go close. So they all grow. Except the Staph epidermidis on EMB. You can see there is no growth on this plate. So you're expected to find out what is in the EMB, which doesn't let this gram-positive bacteria to grow. So you just refer to positive if it grow and negative if it doesn't grow. So in the next part, you are going to give a brief description of the cultural characteristics. So you need to see what is the color, what is the size, and what is the shape of the colony. So we might have some additional pictures, but you are recommended to search online and find this selected bacteria on the selected media that we suggest. So again, you need to refer the characteristics of the colony and explain about the size and shape and the color. So this is one of the so this is one of the this is one of the metallic green metallic colony of E. coli. So you need to explain how it looks like. So for the fungi and bacteria, where we use the nutrient agar and PDA, so we are going to give you additional information. Sanjida, can you confirm?
So there will be some additional information that I will give you, and we will share it with the students.
So I guess this is it for Prac Report 1. Good luck with your submission. So So for the last section, so this section, we are going to provide you some additional information, but you have this observation. So you can see, I cannot open the plates. You can see this was plated, this was located in the in front of the entrance of the lab. You can see how many yeast, bacteria and fungi grow on these plates, and I will share the picture of these plates with you. So this is again an example of not good sample of a streaking. So perhaps the loop was hot and that's why there is no growth on it. So we give you the picture, we will share the picture of this expected result with you on the canvas. And the last section, you need to draw a picture of the gram staining for E. coli and Staph epidermidis. So you're always recommended to search and find out how they look like. And we will recommend you to go to the Mastering Microbiology and find the study area and access to the macro lab and go to the macro lab tutors to see and observe and watch a good example of gram staining. Good luck, and we will give you the picture of these plates and some additional information for you to be able to fill this report and submit through Turnitin by next Sunday, 29th of March. Thank you.